Today, we're diving into Wondershare PDFelement, a comprehensive PDF editing tool that aims to provide a seamless experience for users looking to handle their PDF documents more effectively. The software is marketed as an all-in-one solution for editing, converting, creating, and signing PDFs, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. Starting off with the interface, PDFelement offers a clean and user-friendly layout. The dashboard is well organized, with all the essential tools displayed clearly. You can easily access editing, converting, merging, and annotation features from the main screen, which makes it convenient for beginners and experienced users alike. One of the standout features of PDFelement is its powerful OCR technology, which enables you to convert scanned documents into editable and searchable files. This feature works impressively well, even with complex documents, though the accuracy can sometimes depend on the quality of the original scan. Ever got a file you just can't edit? Frustrating, right? Not anymore. DocuClipper makes editing, converting, and signing effortless in seconds. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Another major advantage is its compatibility with various file formats. PDFelement allows you to convert PDFs to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more without losing formatting, which is a huge plus if you're constantly working with different document types. The conversion speed is generally fast, but larger files might take a bit more time to process. Editing options are extensive. You can easily add text, images, links, and even draw shapes on your PDF files. It also allows you to edit existing text and adjust fonts, styles, and sizes, giving you complete control over the appearance of your documents. However, the text editing feature occasionally struggles with complex layouts, which might require some manual adjustments. The software also includes features for form creation and management, making it useful for professionals who frequently work with viewable forms. You can create custom forms, add various fields, and even extract data from forms with just a few clicks. PDFelement also offers tools for adding annotations, comments, and even digital signatures. The signing feature works well, but its integration with cloud services could be smoother. While you can save documents to the cloud, the process sometimes feels slower than it should be. Pricing is another important aspect. PDFelement offers a free version with limited functionality, but to access its full potential, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. The pricing is competitive compared to other premium PDF editors, but if you're only using it occasionally, the free version might be sufficient. In conclusion, Wondershare PDFelement is a solid option for anyone looking for a robust and versatile PDF editor. It's feature-rich, user-friendly, and delivers excellent performance in most areas. However, minor improvements could be made in terms of text editing and cloud integration. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below sharing your experience with PDFelement. Thanks for watching.